Welcome to The Explainer. There is so much hype out there promising you'll get rich from AI, but nobody ever tells you which skills are actually valuable. Well, today, we are. We're breaking down the 3 essential AI skills that can seriously transform your career and, yes, your earning potential. Okay, let's just jump right in with a number that sets the whole stage. A recent PwC report found that professionals who actually have AI skills are already earning a staggering 56% more than their peers. And get this, that's not some prediction for the future. It's happening right now. And the demand for these skills, it is absolutely exploding. By 2027, India alone is going to need 2.3 million AI professionals. I mean, think about that. That's a massive, once-in-a-generation opportunity for anyone who's willing to jump in and learn. So the big question is, how do you capture this opportunity? Well, let's get into our first critical skill, and it's a big one: AI programming. This is basically the new foundation of how everything is going to get built in our world. Now, what's so fascinating here is how AI has just completely changed the game. Traditional coding, it had this huge barrier to entry. It took years to master. But now, with AI assistants like Copilot, that barrier has been just shattered. The focus isn't on writing every single line of code anymore. It's shifted to training and guiding these intelligent systems. At its core, AI programming isn't really just about writing code in Python. It's about becoming a teacher. You are literally teaching a machine how to learn from data, how to make its own decisions, and when you get down to it, how to think. And boy, is this skill in demand. Just look at these numbers. A fresher can start with a really strong salary, and senior AI engineers, they can earn up to 90 lakh rupees a year. And with these jobs growing by 38%, the value that AI programmers bring is just undeniable. And if you want a real-world example of this potential, look no further than Varun Mohan. He co-founded an AI platform where developers could write code just by talking. Well, that platform was eventually bought by Google DeepMind for $2.4 billion. That's the power we're talking about here. All right, our second skill, this one shifts the focus away from writing code and more towards mastering communication. Let's talk about the world of prompt engineering. It's truly the art of talking to an AI effectively. And don't you dare underestimate this one. Prompt engineering is one of the fastest growing roles in the Indian job market right now, expanding at almost 33% every single year. As AI becomes more and more common, the people who know how to get the best results from it, they're going to be indispensable. You can literally make your prompts 10 times more effective just by following this super simple 4-step structure. Okay, so first, give the AI a role. Then, give it data and context. Third, make a crystal clear demand. And finally, request a specific format. It's a simple little framework that gets you expert-level results. So look at this. You can see how all 4 of those steps just come together perfectly. We defined the role, business strategist. We told it what data to use. We made a specific demand, compare and recommend. And we requested the format, a table. This is exactly how you get precise, high-quality answers from an AI. All right, on to our third and honestly most futuristic skill, creating AI agents. If chatbots are the AI of today, then agents, they're the autonomous workforce of tomorrow. Think of AI agents not as simple tools that just follow some rules, but as independent workers. They can actually understand their environment. They can create a plan. They can execute really complex, multi-step tasks, and even work with other agents, all without you having to constantly look over their shoulder. And the market for this technology is about to absolutely explode. It's already worth over $5 billion, but it's projected to grow at a mind-blowing rate of nearly 45% per year. That's just going to have a massive economic impact. And here's the crucial part. This isn't some distant sci-fi future we're talking about. According to Capgemini, 82% of organizations will be using AI agents in just a couple of years. So the people who can build and manage these agents, they're going to be some of the most valuable people on the planet. Okay. So, with all this talk of automation and autonomous agents, I know what you're probably thinking. Where do humans fit into this whole picture? I think this is the perfect way to think about our future with AI, right? An airplane has an autopilot. It can handle all the routine stuff, but you always need a skilled pilot in the cockpit to set the destination, handle turbulence, and navigate those complex, unexpected situations. And that's exactly our role. The most valuable professionals aren't going to be replaced by AI. No way. They're going to be the ones who know how to direct these powerful systems. They are going to be the pilots who implement, monitor, and optimize these tools to get incredible results. The opportunity to take the controls is right here, right now. Learning these 3 skills, AI programming, prompt engineering, and agent development, that's your first step to securing your place in the cockpit. So the real question is, as AI evolves, are you going to be the pilot or just a passenger along for the ride?